Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just don't want me to say. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Akanshi and in today's video we're going to talk about international travel ban. So as we are waiting for so long that we're going to have some good news now this time also. There is no good news. Travel ban is extended till 21 June, and there are a lot more to know in this official announcement. So let's just get dive into this, and I'll let you know everything you need. Here on this website, you can see this is the official website of Government of Canada, and on this document, it has been written that the lockdown has been extended till 21 June 2021. The main reason behind this is the safety of Canadians, and in the meantime, the Canadian government can check all the health and safety measures in order to protect their citizens from the different variants. जैसे कि हमें पता है इंडिया में सेकेंड एंड थर्ड वेरिएंट चल रहा है इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान एंड दिस इज द मेन रीजन जो कनाडा है वहाँ उन्होंने अपनी पैसेंजर फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल कर दिया है फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान until 21 June. It's been so long now. We all are waiting for some positive news, but all we are getting is just getting extended. The lockdown is getting extended. Travel ban is getting extended. Now it's 22 June. So, as per the officials, what are the exact news? We're going to just check so that we'll have some basic clarification what they exactly want and what will going to happen in future. So we also have this new release news of May 20. So by reading this sentence, I am so happy. It's somehow we have a good news too. Now let's check this one. It's just like a ray of hope for every student who is waiting for so long. As we know, there are a lot of colleges in Ontario. So every student is happy by reading this news. So let's just see what's inside this, exactly what the Ontario government wants to do and what they will going to do in order to open the province for us. सो यहाँ पर इस न्यूज में हम देख सकते हैं कि जो ओंटारियो गवर्नमेंट है उन्होंने वहाँ के चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स के साथ मिलकर एक रोड मैप तैयार किया है इन ऑर्डर टू रीओपन द प्रोविंस इन 3 स्टेप्स जिससे कि वहाँ पे जो प्रॉपर सेफ्टी है एंड कॉशंस है वो प्रॉपर फॉलो किए जा सके सो लेट्स जस्ट चेक सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रोड मैप वी हैव 3 स्टेप्स स्टेप 1 में हम देख सकते हैं कि जो गवर्नमेंट है वो स्मॉल गैदरिंग्स को अलाउ करेगा अप टू 10 people एंड आउटडोर डाइनिंग अप टू 4 people एंड apart from that they will also going to start 15% non-essential things. So this is very nice because अभी तक वहां पर सिर्फ essential चीजें ही allowed है as per the lockdown, तो वहां पे jobs भी कम है. So once ये सारी चीजें open हो जाएंगी, like there will be more jobs and it will be good for everyone. Let's go to step 2. Further, they will also going to extend spend some outdoor activities. They will going to allow gathering up to 25 people. They will also going to start their sports and leagues, overnight camps, personal care services, everything like that comes under all non-essential also they will going to start, but the main thing is you also have to cover your face with a mask, and like that is the main thing. And they will also going to start the religious services, rites and ceremonies gathering at 15% capacity. So we can see they are opening, like in first step they will open the 15% capacity for non-essentials, and in step 2 they will going to start the outdoor activities, different kind of outdoor activities with the 15%. But in that case also we have to take the proper precaution. We have to get vaccinated and wear our mask properly so that this will reduce the transmission of the coronavirus. So in this step third, they will going to extend the indoor settings with restrictions, but restrictions will be very minimal, I think. So this includes all the indoor sports and different fitness fitness activities, indoor dinings, museums, all the galleries, libraries, and everything. So I think this is the very nice step taken by the Ontario government and a relief for every international student. Further, if we check this document, we can see each step, like this step 1, step 2, step 3, will be taken in like 21 days gap. तो अगर हम इसमें आगे देखते हैं, इस डॉक्यूमेंट में इसमें बताया गया है टोटली कि जो स्टेप है वो कैसे लिए जाएंगे. तो यू कैन सी जो स्टेप 1 है, जब 60% ऑफ एडल्ट वैक्सीनेट हो जाएंगे विद डोज 1, दे विल टेक द स्टेप 1. एंड देन step 2 पर 70% of adults vaccinated with one dose and 20% of vaccinated with the second dose. And in the third step, there will be 70 to 80% of the adults will be vaccinated and only 25% vaccinated with the two doses. So based on their current trends, like the first step will going to start in the week of June 14. Yay, so finally we have a good news from Ontario government. So according to the plan, whole thing will be done by 24th July or the end of the July. So I suggest you guys, like they all are getting vaccinated. So we should also get our vaccination done as soon as possible. क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा था कि like they are thinking about the vaccination passport, and अगर उन्होंने वो रूल यहाँ पर लगा दिया इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, तो आपको 3-4 महीने का और वेट करना पड़ेगा अगर आप वैक्सीनेटेड नहीं होगे. So please get your vaccination done as soon as possible. If you are getting the slot, just go and get your vaccination done. Don't wait for more time. And like, I'm so happy when I got this news. I know everyone is happy. So cheers. We are going to Canada soon. I also want to discuss something regarding the news going on over internet that you can also travel via third country. Yes, you can travel from the third country, but for that also you need RT-PCR test. For example, if you are traveling to Dubai, you have to go there to go out of the airport, get your test done, then you can board the flight. So I think it's very like time consuming. I'm going to put a list of countries or places where you can travel in the description box. If you want, you can check, but I don't think it's a good idea to travel via those countries. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for supporting me, and I'm going to put all the links in the description box. You can check by your own. And apart from that, if you like the video, please like and subscribe it and support me further. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.